Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. So can you guess what I am going to do today? Yes, you have guessed it right. I am going to make flag patterns on the 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So first is I am going to make a tricolor like our Indian flag. So let's start. So here is the tricolor like our Indian flag. So next is Argentina color. So I will try to make a Argentina flag. So here you have the color of a Argentina flag. Next I am going to make America color flag. So let's start. So here is the flag. And next is France. Here is France. So it is all and stay tuned for the next video. In the next video I am going to show how to make patterns in 3 by 3. Thank you.